Hey guys, what's going on? Today I am playing air horn light, and it's pretty much air horns. Yeah. I don't really like it. It's pretty annoying. And it's really loud. Let me turn that down. Yeah. That's about right. So there's like a bunch of horns. I'm just going to show you what they are and stuff. So here's the second one. You know, not that special, you know. Here's the troublemaker. I don't really know how to use it yet. Usually it just makes a random noise when you just start tapping it a bunch. So it's not working right now. I'm going to try it again. Does not work on all phones yet. Yeah, I can see that. Alright. So that's the troublemaker. You can't really hear it. This plus car speakers. Think about it. Yeah, I don't get it. Red beauty. Yeah. I like this one. Sports team. That one's annoying. I like this one. This one sounds like a goat. The train. Yep. Sounds about right. This one is my favorite because it has a Corvette. Those are like the best cars on earth. I especially like the music. It's like one of the old Corvettes though. I also like this one because I like basketball. But why can't you make the ball the little air horn thingy? Why does it have to be the guy's head? So yeah, that's pretty much all of the air horns here. These, the balloon and the bleep, those are other apps. So yeah, that's what it is. Here, I'm gonna go through all of them again, just to make sure you got all of them.